Or will something else happen? We'll find out right after these 10 commercials.
Oh, no, we won't. Oh.
I spit on your corpse, advertiser-supported television.
And now for the exciting conclusion.
Without the commercial interruption, I could really follow the story. You've got a season pass to my heart.
Sounds like you've given us some words to eat by.
Here's a message for you. Ba-doop, ba-doop, ba-doop.
Welcome back. I have some big news. My boyfriend Straightman just proposed that we go on separate vacations again this year.
I think I'll speed through the cheering. You've changed my life. I've gotten so much accomplished.